Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to recover deleted PDF files. We will first learn about how the software works. We are telling you in the video how to download the software. Watch the full video. Click Start. Click Continue with Ads. Click All File Recover. Then click All Documents. Click Scan. Wait a minute, your entire files are being scanned. Now all the deleted files can be seen. Select the file you want to recover. Then select File. Then click Restore Now. PDF Recover. You can view the recovered PDF by going to your File Manager folder. It will show your PDF file there. Now I will show you how to download the software. Open Google Play Store. Then search PDF Recover and PDF Reader. Click the software. Then install. Open app. Then click Allow Access. Then allow all permission. Then click Allow Access. Thanks for watching.